Alright, back to where we're at here. We're restoring, basically cleaning up on Mercury 9.9. We've done the top already here, and I have a video on that, on using plastiques on it and using it on the chaps as well. I haven't gotten that far yet, but you can kind of see how bad a shape it is with the water lines here and everywhere else. This motor came off of a sailboat, so anytime somebody says sailboat, it generally means it's going to have a lot of hard hits, bangs. The motor doesn't really spend a whole lot of time on the back of the sailboat. It spends more time going back and forth to the back of the sailboat. People take it off and put it back up. So what we're using today is buffer here, and it's a 1800 RPMs is where I'm using it at, and I'm using compound on the bottom of it. I'm not going to be showing you how to do this, but I'll just give you an idea on how to clean it. But our results right now, we'll spin the motor around the other side here. This is what it looks like now. On this side, so that one side is somewhat done. Got a couple snot balls here and there. I need to wipe off. Most of that's just old wax. Once it's dried up, and I ain't got it off yet. What we usually do is turtle wax, clean cut rubbing compound. It works really good. Buffer with a wool pad. So if you're trying to clean one up, this is generally the easiest way to do it. Hope this is helpful. Okay, we got this side done now. Push the motor around here for the move. If I can lock it. All the old water marks off of it, most of it anyways. I'm basically using just the, here it is, turtle wax here, rubbing compound, clean cut, that's what I use on it. It works really well on offshore stuff. The paint ain't beat up too bad. It's a two-stroke, you pretty well hang it up. The two-stroke oil pretty well ruins the paint. But on 4 strokes, it works pretty good on stuff like that. These are the chaps. Most of the time I'm cleaning these here. I generally use plastiques. Be careful, you will burn it to death. You know, hold it in one spot, you will burn it up. And we got metal here, so I use compound on there, and then your top again. I use plastics as well on here. Just be careful with the top. This motor's been really roughhoused, pretty bad, so it's 100% better looking than it was when it came in. We picked this up off Craigslist. It's a pretty decent deal. $100% better than it was. It's pretty nice too. But I'm going to put a coat of wax on here, on top of the metal here and the metal here. I'm going to leave these like they are with plastic, so they'll fade again. No way to stop it. But the wax I'll be using is this here, the hard shell. A lot of people look down on this. For saltwater applications, it holds up. It does a hell of a job. When you get done, just make sure your ports are all cleaned out here. Water can get out or get in, either way. You know, make sure that stuff's nice and cleaned out. You ain't got no wax piled up in there on both sides. You can tell this was on a sailboat here at one time. This here, judging by the way it was pulling, they haven't shifted way over to here on this side. Has a lot bit of steering. Pretty nice little motor though. Ran pretty good so far, so I guess we'll find out as time goes on how well it's built. But hope this will help you.